Drink before sleep. Remove everything you have eaten during the day. In this video, we will show you how to make a homemade drink, which will help you cleanse your body from all bad toxins, boost your metabolism, and it will help you lose weight, lose belly fat. According to several studies, the link between the belly fat and the diabetes type 2 was confirmed. In order to remove your belly fat, which is the most common problem among people, you should start exercising and eating a lot of healthy food. We have a lot of articles on our site which will help you to get in shape and carry on with a solid life. Here we are going to present you the mind-blowing custom-made regular drink, which contains a standout which is one of the best fat-blazing fixings, the lemon. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder or 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 lemon, a handful of parsley, 500 milliliters of water. Preparation: just put all the ingredients in a blender and mix until you get a homogeneous mixture. Drink the mixture every night before going to bed and you will lose a lot of weight in just a short time. Parsley. Health benefits. Parsley is excellent for the bladder infections and the kidneys. Parsley will help you fight uric acid. Parsley contains strong antioxidant flavoring and volatile oils. Parsley is used to preventing cancer, and they do not grow tumors. Parsley also is used to eliminate bad breath, and it's very simple and easy. You simply have to chew parsley leaves. Parsley is good to fight stress. It has anti-inflammatory features. It works as a blood purifier as well. Parsley infusion can help you lower fluid retention. Go-to. It is a natural diuretic, and it eliminates excess water from the body. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.